Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west in Montego Bay City from Tucker towards Fairfield. Entering Fairfield. On the left is West Pow Park. The road on the right is Oak Hill Avenue, and that road will take you into Fairfield Estate. We are driving on the Fairfield Road. The road on the right can also take you to Fairfield Estate. A few meters to the right, you can find the Barnett River. The road on the left is Chambers Road, and that road will take you to Belfield, Granville, Pitford, Retirement and other communities. The road here on the left will take you to the Fairfield Theatre. We are approaching the Fairfield Road and Barnett Street intersection, and going left will take you to Bogue and other communities, as well as to Lucy and Negril, and going right will take you towards Montego Bay City Centre. We are entering the West Green roundabout. The first exit here on the left will take you to the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, that is RADA, and this is the Northwest Regional Office. We are taking the second exit towards Howard Cook Highway. The third exit will take you onto West Green Crescent, where you will find Catching Hall Primary and Infant School. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.